Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In triangle ABC, angle B is a right angle. The measure of angle A is 34 degrees and the length of segment BC is 13 inches. What is the area of triangle ABC in square inches? Okay, first let me draw a right triangle ABC. Okay, let me draw it. Okay, here I've drawn a right triangle. We have right angle over here. So the question says angle B is a right angle. So let me consider the vertex B over here and A over here, C over here. The measure of angle A is 34 degrees. Okay, now let me mark it. That is 34 degrees over here. Okay, considering this angle measure 34 degrees, the side which is opposite to this interior angle is called opposite side. Okay. And this is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle. Let me write it over here. And the name of the third side AB over here is called adjacent side. Okay, our aim is to get the area of triangle ABC in square inches. Okay, in a right triangle, apart from the hypotenuse, let's consider the remaining two legs AB and BC. In the remaining two legs AB and BC, one of the legs has to be considered as the base of the triangle and the other leg has to be considered as the height of the triangle. We can use a formula base times side divided by 2 to get the area of the triangle. Okay, in this triangle, we know that AC is hypotenuse and we can consider this leg AB as the base of the triangle and the leg BC as the height of the triangle. And we have the length for the line segment BC, that is 13 inches. Okay, now let me mark it over here. Okay, here we have the length for this leg, that is the height of the triangle. Okay, still we have to get the base of the triangle, that is the length of the leg AB to get the area of this triangle. Okay, here what we have to do is we have to consider the trigonometric ratio in which we have opposite side and adjacent side, because we know the length of opposite side and we need the length of adjacent side. So that is a tangent. Let me write the stuff over here. Tangent, and we have to consider this angle measure. Tangent 34 degrees is equal to opposite side over adjacent side. Let me write over here. According to Seccato. Okay, tangent 34 degrees equals to the length of opposite side is 13 and I do not know the length of adjacent side. We can write it as AB. Okay, now let's take reciprocal on both sides of this equation. When you take reciprocal for this one, I'm getting 1 over tangent 34 degrees. On the right side, when we take reciprocal for this one, I'm getting AB over 13. Okay, our aim is to get the length of AB. So to solve for AB in this equation, we have to get rid of the denominator 13 over here. Let me multiply both sides of this equation by 13. This 13 will cancel out. 13 times 1 is 13 divided by tangent 34 degrees equals to AB. Okay, here I got the base of the triangle, that is 13 over tangent 34 degrees. Okay, now let's find the area of the triangle ABC. Let me write the stuff over here. Area of triangle ABC equals to, as I said, the formula is base times height divided by 2. Here the base of the triangle is given by the line segment AB. Its length is 13 over tangent 34 degrees. So let me plug in over here. 13 over tangent 34 degrees. And the height of the triangle is given by the opposite side of the triangle, that is line segment BC. Its length is 13. Let me plug in 13 over here, divided by 2. Okay, here 13 times 13 is 169 over tangent 34 degrees, all divided by 2. Okay, here the denominator 2 over here can be considered as a fraction by taking the denominator 1 over here. Now, let me write this fraction as it is. It is 169 over tangent 34 degrees. And we can change this division as multiplication, then get reciprocal for this 2 over 1, then it will be 1 over 2. Okay, now let's multiply the two numerators. 169 times 1 is 169. And when I multiply the two denominators, I am getting 2 times tangent 34 degrees. Okay, here I got the area of the triangle ABC in square inches. That is 169 over 2 times tangent 34 degrees. We find this stuff exactly in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.